This review is of Nature Valley Crispy Creamy Peanut Butter Chocolate Wafer Bar. And let's see, does it have any indications on here? No, it is made with bioengineered food ingredients, or in other words, GMO. Here are the ingredients. Surprisingly, it's not parv like some of their other products. Here are the nutrition facts. Oops, there we go. Yes, I am not a professional videographer. I don't edit most of my videos at all, and except for to put pieces together, and I'm not clever about the use of my camera on my phone. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So it's just basically a wafer bar with an added twist of chocolate and crushed peanuts. Or maybe they're chopped. It's it feels moist in my mouth because the filling of what the filling is composed of, which is apparently, it looks to me like it's made of peanut butter. So maybe the reason they put chocolate after the peanut butter is because all the chocolate that there is this thin layer on top, and then there's the crushed peanuts and there's the peanut filling, and mostly what you're tasting is peanut butter. For me, if you're a peanut butter lover, I would say get this. Forget about the chocolate. It really doesn't come into play that much at all. It's so overwhelmed by the peanut butter that it's barely noticeable. But if you love peanut butter, you're probably going to be very happy with this bar. And if you love wafers and peanut butter, so much the better for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.